Let's create a task. There are jobs and there are tasks. So you can add a task. Tasks are great because there are these, it's like something in between an inspection job. So what if you have a radon pickup, right? And you want to schedule it for Wednesday, and you're going to assign it to one of your team members. It doesn't have to be an inspector. It could be just someone who is qualified to do the task. And let's say it's 11 o'clock and it's going to take only 15 minutes. So I can just go in and out real quick. And it looks like I have, address is required, of course. So I'm going to go, it's at 234. Oh no, it's at 5 Langard Drive in Raleigh. And the detailed instructions are do the radon thing that we always do, right? And the contact information, well, you can get in there. Maybe with Terry's going to be there and you can call them at that number. Okay, so you create a task and it goes right into your dashboard. So now you know you have something to do. You're going to pick up a radon. Maybe it's from this job here. Pick up a radon and then go to your job afterwards. So these are really handy and very visually appealing. You can see what's going on in your week. You've got a task to do. You got some open time. You can still do a job here or a job there. And that would be in your schedule. So we scheduled a radon pickup at that Langard Drive right there. You can edit the task. You can mark it complete. You can cancel it, delete it. If you edit the task, it goes right back into this form here where you can maybe reassign it. Maybe it's Alicia who's going to do it. So you give it to Alicia. Okay. And if you give it to Alicia, what's that look like? Well, everything pops up. Alicia gets a row and she has an assigned task. So that's what that add task is all about, so that you can do things in between your inspection jobs on the dashboard.